guys, my name is Ronald. We're here at Factory Cleaning Equipment, Mooresville, North Carolina. Today we're going to go over Factory Cat's Sanitation 46. This machine is a 33-inch, 46-gallon cylindrical scrubber sweeper. Our machine is equipped with the dual side brooms, just like any other Factory Cat rider can be equipped. Some specific components that make the Sanitation 46 exclusive are things like the green anti-microbial tank. So there's an additive in the plastic that doesn't allow any kind of bacteria growth inside the dirty water tank as well as the clean water tank. This is really important in the recovery tank where all your dirty water hangs out. Won't allow any mold growth or any kind of smells or bacteria to grow in the recovery tank. So if your operators are not rinsing the tank thoroughly, the antimicrobial additive in the green tanks will help keep any kind of bacteria growth or germ growth inside of the tanks. Secondly, the machine is equipped with Factory Cat's 03, and that's an aqueous ozone generator on board of the unit. Aqueous ozone is a powerful sanitizer. We use it every day in things like water bottle sanitization before they fill a bottle with drinking water. They use it in a lot of food and beverage facilities to sanitize production lines or maybe food that was getting ready to be shipped out to customers. Aqueous ozone is an extremely safe sanitizer as well. It's safe for your operator's skin. It's not going to leave any odors or hurt anybody's eyes or anything like that. The aqueous ozone is generated on board and then dispensed directly to the floor. That's important because it's most effective directly out of the generator. The longer the amount of time between the aqueous ozone being dispensed and hitting the object or the floor that it wants to sanitize, it's less effective if there's more time between dispensing and being applied to the floors. Lastly, the Sanitation 46 is equipped with two items on the rear of the machine. One being a mister or a disinfectant applicator. This is something the driver or the operator can hold on to while he's driving through your plant, and he can apply disinfectant on things like forklifts, production lines, walkways, handrails, light switches, doorknobs, all those high touch areas that you think may carry more bacteria or more germs. He's able to apply disinfectant to those areas with the spray jet, and we'll show you that here in just a minute. Now down by our squeegee, we have a rear spray bar, and it's equipped with 3 jets. So we can turn on these jets while we're sweeping and scrubbing. So as we're cleaning the floor, traditionally with our 2 cylindrical brushes, the machine's picking up all the dirty water with the squeegee and the vacuum system, leaving a clean floor behind. The floor behind is then, we use the spray bar system to apply your favorite disinfectant on the floor behind the machine and allowing the proper amount of dwell time to properly disinfect and sanitize the floor behind the machine. Those are just some of the things that Factory Cat has come out with to help keep your facility clean and safe, and we'll go through demonstrating those options next. So with the disinfectant applicator, you can disinfect things like pallet jacks or forklifts. As well as high touch areas like light switches, doorknobs, inside and outside of the bathroom. The next addition to the machine I'm going to cover is the aqueous ozone generator. This machine is equipped with both aqueous ozone and the Factory Cat SUD system. The SUD system just allows you to add any kind of detergent to the machine that you would like, and it'll proportion that detergent onto the floor. 2 different settings, one for a lot of soap, one for not so much soap. Aqueous ozone generator is here as well. This clear tube is our air dryer. That's what creates the ozone on board of the machine, and then it's dispensed directly down to the brush deck and applied to the floor. Again, aqueous ozone is a powerful sanitizer. It's effective as soon as it's dispensed onto a surface. So the machine does a great job of sanitizing the floor before we apply our disinfectant on the rear. The last addition to the Factory Cat Sanitation 46 we're going to cover is the rear spray bar. It's real simple to turn on. There's just a switch on the back of the machine, and I'm going to flip it to on. And I'm going to take off and disinfect the floor behind it. Disinfectant is applied to the floors, it's important to wait the correct amount of dwell time to let the disinfectant be effective. Thanks for watching today's demo of the Sanitation 46. We'll see you next time.